Hello everyone, my name is Man and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. The process for Windows 10 is also the similar as Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to search on Google Visual Studio Code download. Once you search that, you will end up over here. The first link you would see something like this. Just click on this. And obviously if you are using Windows, we are going with the first one. Click on this option. And once you click on that, at the top right corner, you will see that Visual Studio Code will start to download. It might take some time because it's only 100 MB, so let's wait for a while. So once it's downloaded, as you can see at the top right corner, I'm going to click on this option, click on run, and you will see something like this. I'm going to close this window so you can see clearly. Click on accept agreements, click on next again until you see this. Click on all the check marks, otherwise, because this is very important. So once you check mark all of this, just click on next and install. Let's wait for a while. So once it's installed, just click on finish and it will open up by itself. And here we are. As you can see, we have our release notes over here, the latest version. And I'm going to close this one. And on the left side, you will see this option. And at the above of this, we have extension. I had already Python, so that's why it's showing up like this. Otherwise, you might not see this. And if you want this, just click on extensions and you will find that over here. And we have multiple popular extensions from over here which you can easily download. And if you want to create a new HTML file, you can also create it. It's very easy. Close this one, click on this Explorer, and after that open folder. Create a new folder, obviously select that folder so you can create your work in that. Once you do that, click on this plus icon beside your name and here you can write index.html, and once you enter, you will see that it will open up a new window and here you can start adding your HTML code. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.